OnePlus device of 2024 is here, and it is the OnePlus Ace 3. The device was announced at a dedicated launch event in China and comes as a direct successor to last year's Ace 2 with key specs upgrade and up to 1 TB of storage. It has a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED screen of 1.5K resolution and 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The BOE made panel has a brightness of up to 1600 nits in auto mode and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 2 protection and a bunch house for a 16 megapixel cutout. It carries the same design language which debuted with the OnePlus 11 with aluminium frame and frosted glass with a circular camera island that blends into the side frame. It has a 3-stage alert slide as well. The back is consisted of 2 main cameras and a 1 shit camera. The main camera is 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 with OIS. Then you get 8 megapixel ultra wide, which is very poor, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. It has Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 12 or 16 GB of RAM, going up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It comes with ColorOS based Android 14, and it will have a battery of 5500 mAh with 100 watts Superbook charger. It will not have a wireless charging. It will come in blue, black and rose gold color. Prices is very killer, starting at 2500 RMB or $365 for the base 12 to 56 model, going up to $493 for the 16 terabyte 16 GB RAM or 1 terabyte model. The sales start in China on January 15th and is globally going to be launched as the OnePlus 12R later this month.